Did you know that if you take 3 bananas and simply cut them into regular slices and simply use a freezer bag that you put inside, then we'll put it in the freezer. So for me, the idea is really to spread them out well so that you can fold them later, and it's also easier to store in your freezer. And that goes in the freezer for 4 hours. 4 hours later, I have my bananas that are well frozen. I'm going to put them in a blender. I'm going to add 2 spoons of skim milk or Greek yogurt, for example. It's very, very good. I add a spoonful of wet milk, and that's optional. It's for more protein. If you don't have wet milk, it doesn't matter. It works too. I add vanilla extract, and I'm going to put everything in a blender. So at first, it's a little complicated. After that it works, don't worry. And there, look, I've obtained a fairly thick consistency, so it's still quite long to mix. And here I'm using a jar of peanut butter. Here we come to do some decoration. Here, I take cashews and macadamia nuts. I'm going to crush. Now, I add my frozen banana. A little cashews. Snap, I put a little back in. A little peanut butter. Okay, I'm finishing the decoration. So, here's the result. However, it's not finished. And so now, you have to put it back in the freezer for 4 to 5 hours. And here's the result. 4 to 5 hours later, this is what it looks like. And there, now, you really have ice cream. Look at the inside. Snap, so it's hard. And the advantage, in fact, is that you don't have the side that's crystallized, and you really have the sensation of ice cream, and it's super good. And this is how you can make 100% homemade ice cream. Mr.